In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily improve audio and remove a background noise on a video in Capcut. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Capcut app, then tap right here at Create and select a video you would like to edit. I got that video of me talking.
That's me making a test video with all the background noise. 1, 2, 3.
You may hear some background noise, and now I'm gonna show you how we can easily delete that background noise from the video. All we have to do is just select the video and then drag this toolbar to the left until we find Reduce Noise. I'm gonna select it, turn it on, and then tap at that check mark. After that, I recommend you to delete this Capcut footage at the end of the video. Then we can listen to it.
That's me making a test video with all the background noise. 1, 2, 3.
You may not hear the huge difference, but it really is. And to save that video file, we need to tap right here, and it will save it to our camera roll. We can easily then head over to Photos, and then at Recents we can find that saved file with improved audio and without any background noise. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.